Bonjour, bienvenue. Welcome back to Grade 7 French. This is one of 3 grammar slash parts of speech lessons that are included in Unité 6. In today's video, we are looking at les contractions. In English, we can shorten sentences by putting 2 words together. For example, we can write cannot as can't. And we'll have a discussion about this at the start of tomorrow's class. We'll make a list on the board of other contractions that we can think of and that we know. But what I want you to do for now is when I finish speaking, please put the video on pause so that you can jot down as many contractions that you can think of. All right, let's proceed. We can write contractions in French as well. The charts on the next 2 slides will be our guide to using contractions when writing sentences that have a or de in them. Now, if you have not already received one, I'll be giving you a copy of the Unité 6 worksheet. And so what you're going to do is you're going to fill out the 2 charts on your worksheet using the next 2 slides as a guide. What I would like you to do as I move through the next 2 slides is put the video on pause when I tell you to, so that you can either take a picture of the screen or you can quickly copy down the chart that you see on a piece of paper. All right, here's the first chart that you'll see on your Unité 6 worksheet. And you'll see that when we want to add a plus le, we get o. A plus la actually stays a la. A plus L apostrophe is the same thing, and there is supposed to be an apostrophe that appears here. And finally, a plus le, we can shorten that down to o or o's. So please put the video on pause so you can get a picture of this slide, or you can copy the chart down on a piece of paper. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, very similar chart, working with de. So our contractions are du, de la, de l'apostrophe, and de or des. So please put the video on pause so that you can take a picture of this slide, or you can copy down this chart on a piece of paper. Okay, and as we proceed, you're going to see why I wanted you to have either pictures of these 2 charts or handwritten copies beside you, because they're going to help you with the coming activities. Okay, so now let's practice using these contractions. For the following questions, rewrite the sentences so that they use contractions. Okay, so for example, we have on peut demander a plus le in our brackets, technicien une prothèse multicolore. Okay, and what we do when we rewrite the sentences, we just have to take a plus le, and using the chart from the previous 2 slides, that changes to o. Okay, so I want you to try the first example on your own. After I read the question, you're going to put the video on pause, write down your answer, and then hit play so that you can see the answer revealed. Then, est-ce que la prothésiste pose des questions à les clients? So please put the video on pause so that you can rewrite this question using a contraction. All right, and let's see how you did. Your sentence should look like this. Est-ce que, oh, I'm sorry. Est-ce que le prothésiste pose des questions au client? So A plus les changed to O. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to put the video on pause so that you can write down your solution to the second question. All right, let's proceed. Okay, I've done the example here, one that uses de. Tu ne reviens pas de le restaurant. Please put the video on pause so that you can jot down your solution to numéro 6. All right, and now it's time to reveal the solution. Solution is tu ne reviens pas du restaurant. So now put the video on pause again so that you can write down your solutions to 3, 4 et 5. All right, let's move on. Getting near the end, folks. Okay, you're going to put the video on pause so that you can try these last 4 questions. Okay, and folks, we will take up the solutions to these questions in tomorrow's class. Just giving you a heads up, there'll be some time for you to try some exercises on your own. So make sure that you've got your cahiers ready and with you in tomorrow's class. But until then, this concludes today's video.